Hey my cuties, what is up? It is a new year. I hope you all had a good holiday. But we're just gonna jump right into this video. So I decided to just like unbox a few items I kinda got this day. From Amazon, just got like a new cuticle pusher and nipper set. And then I also wanted to show you guys the polygel that I use from Makartt. And then I also needed some new nail files. But that's all I'm just showing you in the beginning. Hey y'all, so I did not record me drawing on the Frenchies for this because I feel like it would be too long. I don't know why when I'm editing these videos it feels that way, but I just did the Frenchies and I put it on matte top coat. And I've already cured everything in the lamp. As you can see, I did test one nail. I did my pinky. And honestly, this was my first time doing sweater weather and I did not like some of the designs that I did, but I also wasn't going back to fix them. But my favorite design probably was this one right here that I'm doing now on my ring finger. I tried to get it as clear as possible, so I hope you guys can see. And yeah, but I'm just gonna hush and let you guys watch the process. I'll be back to explain anything else. Hey y'all, I just wanted to come in and say that I am dipping my finger in this whole jar because I am the only person that uses this. But if you have clients or you want to practice on other people, then please use a cuticle pusher or something to scoop up and pour this. That way it would be a little more better or maybe sanitary. But I didn't feel like doing all that, so I just decided to like lean the. If you pay attention, I'm leaning the bottle to the side to get most of the product to build up there like a pile, and then I'm like sticking my finger in there and rolling it around. That way I can ensure I've gotten it all on the sides and everything. That was kind of like my lazy way of doing it. And I also did all of my nails at one time. I didn't like the idea of doing one and then cure and then another and cure. It takes me forever in a day to do my nails anyway, so doing that would have just made it unnecessarily longer. But this is what they look like after I have put the clear acrylic on it and I cured it. And now I'm just brushing off the acrylic. So that's just me. If you see slow pauses, that's also just me checking out the design or checking out my nail like closely, just looking at it. So I did decide to go ahead and add a little bit of bling to my nails. It's kind of hard for me to do nails without bling, but this is also my first time trying matte nails ever in my life. I'm a glossy girl, and I felt like it was a little plain and it needed a little something. But this is a lint-free wipe and some cuticle oil, and I just put the cuticle on the lint-free wipe. Apparently, I put too much. That's why my hands were so greasy, so don't judge me. But I hope you all like the way they turned out. I think they were okay. I really like this white. This is a Beetles white, and it really was popping up against my skin. I got a lot of compliments at work. But I hope you all enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, my cuties. I'll see you in the next one.